Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, make sure you subscribe, like and share me around on the internet. Now today I'm going to be doing a review on the 40 litre heavy duty duffel bag. Now I've recently made some purchases through the Adventure Kings online store, and probably not one of the things that I would have purchased, but it came as one of the free gift offers that they do from time to time. Now, if you're going to buy from Kings, I recommend that you join their emailing list, subscribe to them, and keep an eye out because they will throw deals out. Don't get confused. Sometimes they'll run a deal where you get free postage. Sometimes they'll run a deal where you'll get free postage and maybe something like a duffel bag. If you're not in a hurry, make sure you wait, get the good deals. Now, it's come in this box here. It's not very well packaged at all, as you can see. That's how it was delivered to me. Both ends pretty much open, and it could have just dropped out, so I'm lucky I got it. It comes with a 12-month limited warranty, and that is on manufacturing defects. Okay, let's have a look at it. It is basically a black bag. Yay! Super exciting. Okay, I was actually expecting that it was going to be larger than that. Now we've got a loose thread here, not too concerned about that. Kings on the back side here. Zip that zips all the way around and opens up. Now inside there's a lot of loose threads, but you get that on a lot of bags. Yeah, okay, I'm glad I didn't buy this. I'm glad it came as a free gift. It is not anywhere near as big. I guess 40 litres is not very much. And I'm sure it's a 40 litre duffel bag. Yeah, 40 litres. Wow. I would have thought that that was more like 20. But they say it's 40, so we'll go with them. It's only going to be good to carry your gear pretty much for overnight, like a few clothes and stuff like that, or chuck your snatch strap in if you're out and your snatch strap's getting dirty. Little zip pocket on the side there, not very big. Maybe a D-shackle in there. Very glad that I got that as a free gift. I probably should have gone with the other option, but I already had the other option, so I thought I'd give this a try. I'm sure that I will find a use for this bag. It is well made, not massive. There you have it, King's heavy duty 40 litre heavy duty duffel bag. Got it as a free gift. Probably wouldn't recommend buying it from the store. Wait unless you really have a use for it, of course. It is fairly heavy duty. I will find a use for it somewhere. You may see it in some of my videos. Guys, if you see me around, make sure you come up and say hi. Always happy to have a chat. Get out there. Check out the King stuff. Some of it's good, some of it's not so good. I've had pretty good luck with my King stuff that I've purchased. But get out there. Most of all, look after our Australian bush. Have fun four-wheel driving.